everyone, welcome. Today we are off to IKEA. Now we're going to find amazing things in there and we'll see what they have in store. As we're going down the lift, remember to like and subscribe. Now, have you ever been to an IKEA and wished that a house like this was your own? Now, every good kitchen needs some food, and I know just the place to get some. It is, of course, the IKEA restaurant where they sell Sweden's most signature dish, meatballs. Now that I'm full to the brim, I think it's time to venture elsewhere. Now, everyone knows how easily you can get lost in IKEA, and that very thing happened to us. I think we've got a little bit too carried away. Let's get back on track. This is the warehouse where they have all the different kinds of IKEA products, from furniture to homeware. As much as I'd like to stay at IKEA, I think it's time to go home. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Remember, you can like and subscribe, and I will see you soon for another video. Goodbye.